Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and today we're going to be unboxing the RA770 Retrofit kit. This is an accessory for the Fusion Apollo 770 to integrate it into the existing UD 750 and 755 hull that you're maybe removing. When we open up the package, we have a larger screen cover for the 770. Hardware bag, instructions, and a mounting template, and then larger end caps for the 770. So this device, this adapter works with this hardware here. You will enlarge the hole cutout of the existing UD 755 or 750 and 755 for the screws there. These will go behind the mounting surface, and the new radio will thread into here and suck this in and suck the radio together. Once you've done that, these larger end caps go on the 755 to allow covering the old screw holes from the old radio, and then you have now a larger cover to cover the larger footprint of the Apollo 770. That is the retrofit kit. You can find the link to this product in the description below, and you can also find the instructions to this product on our help and support portal. If you have any issues putting this together, please reach out. Again, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine, and this was a product unboxing video. Thanks for watching.